Bet we can get onto the building from this bus.
You sure?
Feels like we're close to the underworld. Once we're in, it won't be easy getting back out. You ready for this? Sounds like you're all set. Good. Hey, who'd you want to meet in the afterlife if you could? Huh. I'd want to see my granddad. We'd go hunting for copper together.
I guess my mom and dad.
Huh? Sorry, I didn't know. So much corruption. If that's right, we should be able to find that underworld oil around here. And we got company.
couldn't make it easy, could they?
We just gotta play their game.
Hopefully not for too long.
They're not handing over the oil.
Gotta grab the oil.
All right, we're done here. Let's get going.
The corruption's coming back.
That explains why most folks can't get back from here.
Leave him already! Take a break for the exit!
We made it. I really thought we were done for.
Yeah, the tomb doesn't open its doors lightly. All right, that's everything. Let's head back to the safe house and fix up the bike. Akito, let me take over for a little bit. I'll fix it.
Okay.
All right, should be good to go. We're charging into the lion's den. You ready for this? That's the Rinko I know. Never holds back.
Would a secondhand shop really deal in something like that?
Lots of things end up on their shelves. Most folks wouldn't. All right, let's roll.
Let's.
Hit the switch! Hey, don't stop! Fight's not gonna last! There! Got it!
We get him?
Show's not over. Hurry! We've come this far. We're not leaving empty-handed.
Damn right. I'm taking back Mari. Is that?
Rinko!
This is where I died. Full of regret. But thanks to you two, I can put that behind me now.
You're taking off.
I have to. Got nothing left keeping me here. Sorry I couldn't stick around. Till the end.
It's all right.
I can't quite bring myself to believe in the afterlife. Even though I'm like this. After all, if it were real, people would be happy to embrace death. Live. Embrace your life.
Let's go, partner. So Erika was what was keeping Rinko chained to this world. And now that things are settled, she had to move on.
Is that gonna happen to you too?
Probably.
Didn't you say he was trying to bring his family back?
You heard him before. As far as he's concerned, bodies are just wrappers for the soul. Pawns for him to use.
There's no way we can avoid fighting her?
No. Anyone in our way goes down. No exceptions. Ready to roll. Choice. Do this. You don't have to thank me.
Leave the two of you behind. I always knew you would go. You would fulfill. He's gone, but I'll be sure to pick up the slack. Please don't worry about a thing. My husband could not accept my death. It drove him mad.
Is she blaming herself?
Enter the vessel.
What? No! Who are you?
It is all to make you happy.
So wrong.
Yeah, I'm with you. If we don't fight, I can't help it.
is this guy's endgame?
You got me. Can't say I feel sorry for her, but I'll put her out of her misery. I'm not going anywhere until we take that bastard down. No way I'm checking out before that.
You just want to protect your family, don't you? You're a good father.
I try. Once we head in, there's no turning back. Make sure you're prepared. All right, let's go.
Did everyone here vanish too?
Our guy's gotta be lurking somewhere. Let's head up.
Gather, that you may find salvation. Gather, that you may not fear loss. Gather, that you may...
Hurry! Why won't you help me?
Mari, what are you saying?
Akito! You never even think about me at all, do you? You only ever worry about yourself. You're just afraid I'll die because of you, aren't you?
What's wrong?
I heard this voice. It sounded like Mari.
They're probably trying to mess with your head. Hey, now what? Akito. Akito! Let's go.
Mari, is that really how you feel?
Don't let it rattle you. That's what the enemy wants.
Oh, you're wrong!
Snap out of it, Akito! Hey, you said I was a good dad earlier. Truth is, I'm not even close. I figured if I threw myself into my work, that'd be enough to protect my family. I barely ever even showed my face at home. It was like we were total strangers. Lately, when I'd bring home a toy for my son, he wasn't even interested. Didn't care about those supercars anymore either.
KK.
But I'm not gonna run from this fight. I'm gonna protect them, no matter what.
Mari!
So that puppet failed to even buy me some time.
You asshole!
The death of the body is a natural phenomenon. And in liberating our souls from their corporeal shells, we are returned to our true forms.
Believe whatever horse shit you want, man. But when you dragging innocent people, you cross a line!
People always decry the truth when forced to face it. However, soon you too will come to understand how meaningless these earthly vessels truly are.
Keep your hands off her!
I have all the souls that I require. I will use them to shatter the barrier between life and death. Your sister will be the final piece. A foundation for a new age. You should be proud!
Away from her!
The fall of the barrier will presage the rebirth of the world. And then I shall create a new paradise, though modest it will be. A place where the souls of my wife and daughter will shine for all eternity.
How you will!
I've just come upon a wonderful idea. I shall create a paradise for this girl as well. Such a willful spirit as hers is a rarity indeed. Perhaps she will even lead this new world. A new Mary for a new age. No, a new Eve.
Enough of your delusional bullshit! You're out of your mind!
Am I now? Have you asked her? Why are you so certain that her spirit wishes to return to this shell? Can you imagine what your sister endures beneath these bandages? Remaining tethered to this body will only prolong her agony.
You don't know that.
Hey! Don't listen to his bullshit! Kill him now, or the world is done for! Akito! Get it together!
The time is nigh. The world rests on the precipice of transformation. A new age will dawn! Not much longer now. Soon, my dream will be made manifest.
Get up! Follow him!
Mari, what do you want?
Don't let him rattle you! Up! Now! Get up or I'll ditch you for good! Is that really all you got, Akito? I can do this myself. I'll kick my own ass. Akito, you just don't get in the way. So you're scared, right? Of how she might feel. Of finding out that maybe you did all this for nothing. You're afraid to hear the truth.
What do you know?
Nothing. I never even knew what my own family was thinking. That's why you need to go find out for yourself.
KK.
I'm not stopping now. Are you with me?
I am. Let's go. I gotta ask her myself. Can't die yet.